Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya Chemistry classes. Today topic is nomenclature of simple aromatic compound. Nomenclature of simple aromatic compounds. This topic is from some basic principles of organic chemistry. In nomenclature of simple aromatic compounds are those contain one or more benzene rings in them. Aromatic compounds are those that contain one or more benzene rings in them. An aromatic compound has two main parts. The first one is nucleus and second one is side chains. In nucleus, the benzene ring represented by a regular hexagon of 6 carbon atoms with 3 double bonds. 3 double bonds in the alternative positions is referred to as nucleus. The ring may be represented by any of the following ways, like this: 6 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms and 6 sigma bonds and 3 alternative double bonds. The alternative double bonds are pi bonds, like this, 4 ways, following ways. And the next one is side chain. The alkyl or any other aliphatic group containing at least one carbon atom attached to the nucleus is called side chain. These are formed by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms in the ring by alkyl radicals, that is or maybe methyl, ethyl and propyl, etc. These are alkyl radicals. These are replacing one or more hydrogen atoms in the ring. If the one atom of hydrogen, like this benzene molecule, is replaced by another atom or group of atoms. Here, look at this. This is the ring or nucleus and this is the side chain. R is a side chain. The one hydrogen is replaced with alkyl group. The derivative formed is called as monovalent substituted derivative. It can exist only in one form because all the 6 hydrogen atoms of benzene represented equivalent positions. For example, C6H5X, where X is a monovalent group. Monovalent group means its valence is 1. So that is called it as monovalence. When 2 hydrogen atoms of benzene are replaced by 2 monovalent groups or group of atoms, the resulting product can have 3 different forms. The forms are distinguished by the giving the numbers. The position occupied by the one of the substituents is given as 1 and the other position is numbered as clockwise direction, that is ortho, meta, para. Ortho means 1, 2. Meta or 1, 3 positions and para means 1, 4 position. That means the 1 represents always functional group and 2, 3, 4, these positions are substituted, groups are present. In ortho or 1, 2, the compound is said to be ortho if the 2 substituents are on the adjacent carbon atoms. So this represents ortho position. The benzene nucleus containing 1, 2, so that means if the substituents are adjacent carbon atoms, the 2 substituents are present in adjacent carbon atom, that represents ortho positions. So they are ortho. In meta positions 1, 3, the compound is said to be meta if the 2 substituents are on the alternative carbon atoms. So that is called it as meta position. And next one, para position 1, 4. The compound is said to be para if the 2 substituents are on diagonally situated carbon atoms. Although meta and para are generally represented as O, M, and P, respectively, as shown in figure. And the next one, nucleus side chain, and next one, aryl group. In aryl group, the radicals obtained by the removal of the one or more hydrogens of an atom of the aromatic hydrocarbon molecules are known as aryl radicals or aryl group. For example, see here, this is the phenyl nucleus from the nucleus, and next one is the benzyl containing benzene ring, and it is one hydrogen attached with CH2 group. The benzene ring attached with CH2 group, and benzyl ring attached with CH, and benzo C. These are side chains from the side chains. So these are nomenclature of simple and aromatic compounds. Thank you. Please subscribe and share and like us my videos.